What's the loudest jet can make? Not the engines, not the roar, but something invisible yet powerful enough to shake buildings, rattle windows, and make people think an explosion just happened. This is the sonic boom. When an aircraft breaks the sound barrier, it doesn't just go faster. It compresses air into powerful shockwaves that travel all the way to the ground. When those waves hit you, you hear a sudden, thunder-like boom. And some aircraft, they don't just boom, they dominate the sky. Start with the king of them all, the North American XB-70 Valkyrie. Built during the Cold War, this massive experimental bomber pushed the limits of speed and engineering. It could fly at over Mach 3, that's more than 2,000 miles per hour, at altitudes above 70,000 feet. But what made it legendary was its sonic boom. Because of its enormous size and extreme speed, the XB-70 generated one of the most powerful shockwaves ever produced by a jet aircraft. People on the ground didn't just hear it, they felt it. Windows rattled, structures shook. It wasn't just a sound, it was a moving wall of pressure sweeping across the earth. Only two were built, but to this day, nothing has quite matched its raw sonic impact. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. Also capable of Mach 3+ speeds, the SR-71 wasn't just fast, it was relentless. Unlike a single explosive boom, its shockwave followed it continuously across the sky. Imagine a never-ending thunderclap stretching for miles. Pilots even reported that people on the ground could hear the boom long after the jet had passed. It turned speed into something almost haunting. The Concorde. Unlike military jets, this one carried passengers across the Atlantic at twice the speed of sound. Its sonic boom was unique. Double boom caused by shockwaves from the nose and tail. While not the most powerful, it became the most experienced, and it was loud enough to change aviation laws forever, banning supersonic travel over land in many countries. Modern fighters like the F-22 Raptor and F-15 Eagle still produce intense sonic booms. They're smaller, but don't underestimate them. At lower altitudes, booms can feel sharper, more sudden, almost like an explosion right above you. It's not always about size. Sometimes it's about how close the sky gets to you. And then there's something even more powerful. The space shuttle. During re-entry, it produced twin sonic booms so strong they could be heard across entire regions. Entire cities would brace for it. Boom, boom. A reminder that something had just returned from space. So what makes a sonic boom stronger? Comes down to three things: size, speed, and altitude. Bigger aircraft, more air. Faster speeds it harder. And lower altitudes bring the shockwave closer to you. Combine all three, and you don't a boom. You experience it. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more videos.